right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
Alright, so first I'm just gonna start off parting my hair on the side. So I'm parting my hair on the side. Alright, so what I did was just add some hair to it because my own hair would be too thin of a braid. So I just added some hair, just did a little box braid. It's so hard to braid with nails on. Alright, so now I'm just going to put the beads on. I wish I had that little crochet thing to put these beads on easier, but don't have one. Maybe I'll do four beads. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Alright, so for my halo braid, I'm going to put all of this into a low ponytail. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and braid my ponytail. And then I'll attach the braiding hair to it. Alright, so now I'm just going to attach this braiding hair onto my ponytail. And then we're going to just start braiding. And make sure you cover up the braid. So I'm going to cover up the braid. Alright, so now I'm just going to wrap the braid around my head. And I'm going to pin it in place. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish it off with the baby hair, and then the look will be complete. If you want the braid to be bigger than this, all you have to do is just pull the braid apart and don't braid it so tightly. I braided it too tightly, and yeah, it's not even gonna budge. But alright, so you guys, that is all for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and also turn on the post notifications. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.